Hey, this is shawnshawn. I have a tip of the day. So this is about how to ship large paintings. As you can see, the painting behind me is quite large, and if I were to send this stretched as is in a box, probably could be a $200, $300, $400 to ship this. If I did it in a wood box, which is probably what you would need at this size, because it's in the middle, you might get damaged in cardboard, so you want that kind of that wood support. You know, that could be easily $200, $300 in wood, $300 in shipping. You're getting at $600, $700, right? I mean, you might be able to get a less from that, but that's just my rough estimate right offhand. So how do you cut down that cost? Let me show you. So what you want to do is get one of these. This is a tube, and if you see here, it's about this high. So it's probably about, I'm 6'1", so that's probably about I think it's 60 inches. And you get these, I think this one is at 3 inches, but you probably want to get 4. It's a little bit, it doesn't roll as tightly. And the way you do that is you take it off this. So you take this down and you need a de-stapler. So you use that one tool that it has in my other video, which is how to stretch a canvas, and then it'll show you that tool that I'm talking about. It's a flooring tool, so you can use that to take all the staples out of this, and then you can roll it right into your tube. Now what you probably want to do is you can use stretch wrap. So stretch wrap kind of acts as a protective layer, and after that you bubble wrap it and then stick it inside that tube. Make sure you tell your buyer not to leave it wrapped up. That plastic, especially with acrylic, will tend to bind with the painting itself. It won't bind with oil, maybe over a long period of time, but oil tends to refract from plastic. But acrylic, since it is kind of a plastic-based paint, will bind with the plastic coating. So definitely let your buyer know, and that's how you ship a large painting at a cheap cost. And that should be around under $50 anywhere in the US. I'm not sure on international rates, but that'll cut the cost down.